out of the car, friend.
What the fuck? I'll slit your throat, asshole!
Headed to town. I don't give a fuck if the bridge is busy. You're a cab.
Alright, brother, forward at Dillon Street in Shatla. Yo, Nico, the one-man Roman been talking about all this time. Cousin Nico, gonna help Roman take over the world and thing.
I guess so.
Respect, alright. We're going to this spot where I needed to wait by. See? I gotta ask you another favor too.
Go for it.
Can you take this piece? Hear anything bad going down? You come and help, sight?
Are you worried about this? I know how to use a gun if you want me to keep watch on things.
Realness, brother. You're my man Roman's cousin. Thanks, respect. These rascals that are ruckus with my brethren, real bad man the other day. I want to make peace, but John know what type of shit they might pull off. Alright, there be the spot up there. Watch out for any badness.
Sure.
Пустышка, оскомина треснутый на зубах эмаль. Твоя свобода, глоток воды за возможность дышать, просить прощения. Кожа росками спущенная со спины до ноготы, сердцебиение. Свобода света, чем рук, свобода испытанных содержалась. Черной обиды, проглоченной болью, гниющая молодость и ярость. Свобода быть мертвым без всяких причин.
Shit, Nico, let these blood clots. Right deep. Someone be in the ground. We have the surrounding shatter. He's a bomber clock.
Suspect now on foot!
I see you, buddy!
Shoot me then!
Assistance required in 7 Shasta. That's unit from Firefly Project.
Open your eyes!
Yoko, where do Roman's cousin? It's blood.
Glad, name doesn't ring any bells. I'm sorry.
You better start remembering important people you just visited. Your cousin owes me a lot of money. If you don't want to make things real difficult for him, you are going to come to Cameron's bar in Mohawk. I have a...
Headed to town! I don't give a fuck if the bridge is busy yet!
Boy, just a great day out there. Lots of sun, but you don't need a dumb bitch with fake tits to tell you that. Julie McCafferty, Weasel Weather.
Weasel News.
Now, this breaking news brought to you by Wigwam Burger. Residents of Liberty City may soon lose a favorite home pastime. It's not felching, it's poker.
It's the subject
Alright, brother, forward at Dillon Street in Shotla.
Las Venturas and casinos everywhere. But Congress is meddling in our fun time again and planning to outlaw...
Alright, you're my man Roman's cousin, ain't you? So you're going to rule the city and thing, ain't it?
I don't know about that. It seems that Roman has enough problem running his own life, let alone the whole city.
That I'm from my brother. Saying, Nico? Saying? Can you do me a favor? You see a real bad man, the boss man. I'm getting a fight with these boys and I got to go down this and make peace. They got two faces and I ain't sure this is gonna be an easy thing. Can you keep an eye on the meat with eyepiece?
This is something I am more equipped to do than drive people around for Roman.
Righteous. I'm gonna feel safer with some backup in the ground.
They do, man. And that's what my project and the movie being made about my project is all about. It's like hip-hop back when we invented that shit. Before it went all commercial and shit. When it was a couple of street cats.
Alright, there be the spot up there. Watch out for any badness.
Sure.
For the community and stuff. And filming me while I make a difference, man, you know? It's real. It's gonna be right, tight, man. Respect.
Good luck to him. In entertainment news, it's back to the early part of the decade for what was formerly famous.
Watch yourself, cup on the other one on the ground.
Mr. Push soul for dead! I kill anyone, anywhere, anytime!
Sorry for Margadog turn around bite you. Come here back at Homebrew Cafe. Your real creation, Stepaniko. Righteous with that.
I have had much experience.
I think we can do some work together, Auntie. In the future, you know?
I am always looking for work, if it pays.
Yes, me know. We link up soon. Thanks for everything. You can keep the peace. I think you know if you use it better than...
Roman, I took Jacob where he wanted to go. Driving for you ain't as boring as I thought it would be.
Jacob is a good man. Watching glue dry with Jacob would not be boring. Thank you, cousin.
Fuck me!
Some money in.
Yo, Nico. Walk one.
Alright, you know, getting by.
Yo, we need your help with something, you know? Will you come on my place at Dillon Street?
Sure, I was looking to branch out a bit anyway. I'll see you soon.
Ah, fuck you! You're a bunch of pussies and fags!
Nice.
I'm going back to the meeting!
Good.
I'm going to be somebody!
Yeah. See you later, Mel.
You always were an asshole, Mickey!
Hey, watch where you're going.
Hey! Hey!
city's in heaven. Treat like the city's in heaven.
It's Vaughn. Only on the 98.8.
Hey, let me in. You have late protection, man.
found out you were a federal agent. I was prepared to rock your world. Oh, girl, let's do this.
Weasel News. Violent crime is heavily on the rise in Liberty City, but unsurprisingly, police say the blame lies elsewhere.
The police department.
She wants me.
Hey, Urkel.